Oh, and it went out again. What is up, everybody? Thank you for choosing the video. Today I am back out at my little bushcraft camp, which, first of all, let me just say, nothing was touched, which makes me very happy. That tells me that nobody's been here, which Dano liked. So today we are going to be taking a look at a little DIY project that I put together. We're going to get a fire going and we're going to put it to the test, basically. I'm pretty excited about it, I'm not going to lie. But we'll get into that in a second. What's funny is I got here and the entire ground was covered in leaves. It looked honestly amazing. I kind of giggled. But I decided to clear out a spot here real quick just to kind of make it a bit easier. Everything is soaking wet. The leaves on it, everything is wet. So I'm not too concerned about like starting a fire, but better safe than sorry, right? So I'm gonna get some firewood going. We're gonna get a bushcraft fire going. We're gonna get into this DIY new gear. So let's get to work. Okay, got everything ready. Firewood ready, water's ready, everything's ready. We're getting coffee going. So, if you didn't see my last camping video, the last video I made, here's a little sort of clip for some context. I almost forgot. While I was moving leaves around, clearing out a spot, I found this grill. I was like, holy, I wonder if I can, like even cut a chunk out. Wow, how cool is that? I literally just bent it over my knee and it broke. So I took that grill, brought it home, got some cutters going, and turned it into a nice little grill. Cut off a bunch of the access, I guess, But my favorite part is I was sitting there staring at this thing, and I was like, how could I make this a pot hanger, right? Like, how could I take this and be able to hang it over a fire? Because right now, what's awesome about it is I can now, right? I don't need two rocks close together, shimmy it, right? Like I can just get a couple of rocks, boom, right? But what I did was I took the frame that was around it, it was on the edges and whatnot, and I just kind of customized it, I guess is the best way to put it. Hold on a second. To hang a pot. Now, hopefully you can see that. So we're going to be testing this out. Now, here's the thing. This is going to be live. And by that, I mean, I haven't tested this out. So I built it. We're going to see if it works. So if it doesn't work, it's live. You're going to see it fall apart, whatever happens. So let's get this fire going now, shall we? We're going bushcraft. What I did was I actually have some birch bark. So I took some of my impregnated cardboard, broke some pieces up onto some birch bark. That's what we're going with. Obviously ferro rod. So it's so weird to not be kneeling down. I have to kind of balance because the ground is very muddy. So yeah, everything's good. I think we'll go a little bit different. Instead of using a bait or a brace, to help with the flames, I'm going to put the birch bark in. We're going to sort of gradually let the wood catch because I don't want it on that angle. I want it to be like this. So let's get it going anyways. Hopefully I'll come back a little. Oh no! It's going to come back a bit in case I'm at a shot and then I dumped everything. All right. Here we go. Nice and gentle here. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay, now we're just gonna let the wood catch. Nice and gentle. Okay, moment of truth. I'm scared. I'm really nervous. Here we go. Oh, we might have to, wow, we're gonna have to come down a lot. Yeah. Oh, she's got a lean, boyo. And we're nowhere near the flame. So I'm gonna first off take that off. We need to just adjust a little bit. There we go. Now, you really got to put it on the back. It's got to be lower too, yeah. Got to come down. There we go. Oh my goodness, I'm messing up big time. We didn't put more wood. Oh, Dano's slacking. Y'all saw that, right? Dano's slacking. I didn't put more wood on. Wow. Fire almost went out. I didn't even have it going. Wow. I didn't put more wood on the fire. Let's see if we can get this going though. There we go. Now, hanger goes back on. Just like, yeah. Why are we all of a sudden way over? Yeah, now we're way over here. Why don't we bring you over? There. Oh, we got it. This definitely needs some tweaking. And I also have to now figure out a way to get it out. So we'll have to maybe lift that up so that, there we go. We can grab it. Oh, this fire's struggling. Come on now. That was a big slip up, honestly. I completely spaced about putting more wood on the fire. I just... All right, what is going on here? You're just, the birch bark didn't even burn. Like, what are we doing? Okay, that took entirely too long. But you gotta love when everything's against you, treat it like a test, right? Because there's no point in getting frustrated. Okay. This is gonna be tight. Why are we on such a crazy angle here now? What is going on? Shouldn't be on that much of an angle. No, it's not. What? Okay, let's just get this water boiling. Holy jeez. I'm done. This is dang near a train wreck. Oh, and it went out again. And today is just not my day. So we'll try again. Okay, round two. I'm not messing around this time. I got everything set up and prepared. That was not fun. I think we'll go a bit easier. Let's do a bushcraft match. It's funny, I was like, screw it, I'm just grabbing a bushcraft match. I like the whole thing. It usually works really well. Didn't like it. I don't know what just happened, but we're gonna move past it. I got the hanger set up, I think. I think it's gonna work better this time, put it that way. I think I actually set the hanger up. So let's get this going. Get a bushcraft match going. Let's get some coffee going already. Hopefully, I don't have to touch anything. It'll just boil the water for me. Yeah, I even centered it. I got everything ready. I'm not. Oh, we're not messing around this time. Oh. You know what the funny thing is? All of that work just for some instant coffee. With no milk, I might add. What a... Dano's not happy. Instant coffee is like the lowest form of coffee, in my opinion. Not a big fan. Oh, I thought I saw something moving behind you. That's not. Anyways, we got our coffee going. Yeah, fire's going still now. Get that out of there before we burn it. I'll just leave it. I was about to say, just out of spite, I'm going to keep it going. We'll leave it alone. Blah. It's not terrible, though. Tastes like coffee. Oh. So, the plan today actually, originally, I wanted to do some camping. I got a couple of trips in mind that I want to get to. But it is supposed to rain today. And I mean, if you didn't see my last camping video, it rained. So I figure take a bit of a break from the rain and come out and try out my little DIY project. But I will be camping shortly, though, that's for sure. Like I said, a couple of camping trips in mind. But I was about to set the tarp up, put it that way. Like, it is supposed to rain today. I just figure, you know what, I'm probably going to beat it. And if I don't, I'm just throwing my raincoat. So, oh, coffee. Well, all right, everybody. It's going to pretty much sum this video up. Not going to lie, that was almost a train wreck. But we kept it on the tracks. So, not much else left for me to do but to get on out of here. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Thank you to everybody who watches, everyone who subscribes. I would like to give a huge thank you to everybody who has subscribed. I literally gained about 45 subscribers overnight, which is amazing to me. I know that's not a huge number, but it is to me. So I would like to thank all of you. Thank everybody who subscribes. You're helping me with my goal to get to 1,000. I'm so close. I think I'm like 240, 220 away. So thank you all very, very much. If you're not subscribed, pretty please join the team. Help me get to 1,000. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Coffee.